Hi everybody, my name is Daniel Kruger. I'm a teacher at North Penn High School, which is located about an hour outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is a very large suburban school district with a very diverse student population. And recently, the district has made very large strides forward in terms of their uses of technology. Really, it started before the pandemic, but the pandemic really accelerated, the adoption process of new technologies here at the high school. It's a little bit of personal information about me. I enjoy sports. I like watching and playing hockey. I have two young sons. Gavin is 4 years old. Tristan is 1. And they keep me busy when I'm not at North Penn High School teaching biology or botany. So that's a little bit about who I am and where I work. So this class, Hypertext and Hypermedia, I honestly don't know very much about these topics. My research has shown me that Hypertext is a software system that links text on a screen to other material. And usually just click on it and it takes you where you need to go. Hypermedia seems to be more broad, so you're not just linking text, but you can link diagrams and videos and graphics and things like that. But that's really all I know, so I obviously have a lot to learn about this topic. I'm also very excited because this is the last class I'm required to take to complete my Master's in Instructional and Technology. So I'm really excited to get started, and I look forward to working with everybody. Thank you.